Elephant man, your judgment day today. You need to come out and tell Jamaicans what happened to you when you were signed to Puff Daddy label. Don't be ashamed to speak on the topic. Because if you don't speak, Jamaicans won't know how to come together and sue Puff Daddy for you. Because we get to understand once you enter Puff Daddy house, allegedly, you are locked in and can't escape out. And whatsoever they are doing in the party, you have to be a part of it. So now is the time for you to speak up. And now is the time for you to get an attorney to sue him. To spoil your manhood if so be the case allegedly. Don't be ashamed